Hello, my young explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with the chapter number 15 of grammar. And the name of the chapter is prepositions, right? So, what are these prepositions? Let me tell you very quickly. Prepositions are the words that tell us about the positions of the nouns and pronouns in a sentence. Also, they let us know about the relationship of the noun or the pronoun and the other words in the sentence, right? So, let us begin with the chapter now and see what else they are telling us about these prepositions. Let's understand. So, जल्दी से इसको पढ़ के समझते हैं. So, it says prepositions are words or group of words that link a noun or a pronoun with the other words in a sentence. कि prepositions कुछ ऐसे words हैं या फिर ऐसे group of words हैं जो कि एक noun या pronoun को link करते हैं, यानी एक relation बनाते हैं उस noun और pronoun का दूसरे words के साथ जो कि उसी sentence में present होते हैं. Read the following sentences. जल्दी से इन सभी sentences को पढ़ते हैं. The book is on the table. The tree is behind our house. Vijay swam across the river. She was standing in the front of the gate. Right? So, all the highlighted words in the above sentences are prepositions. जितने भी highlighted words हैं इन सभी sentences में, ये सभी prepositions हैं. Now, the same word used as preposition or adverb. तो अब देखते हैं कि जो same word है वो use किया जा रहा है preposition या फिर adverb की तरह. ये दोनों ही कैसे use किए जा सकते हैं. So, there are some verbs that can be used either as prepositions or as adverbs. कुछ words ऐसे हैं जिन्हें हम दोनों की तरह use कर सकते हैं. Prepositions की तरह भी और adverbs की तरह भी. Right? So, read the following sentences. जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं. This book is about flowers. About यहाँ पर preposition का काम कर रहा है. I am just about ready. यहाँ पर about एक adverb का काम कर रहा है. Correct? Next, we shall leave after lunch. यहाँ पर after preposition का काम कर रहा है. She arrived soon after, जो कि एक adverb का काम कर रहा है यहाँ पर. Right? So हमने देखा कि कैसे कुछ words ऐसे होते हैं जो कि preposition और adverb दोनों की ही तरह use किए जा सकते हैं. Right? Now, moving ahead, let us talk about the position of the preposition. Right? तो अब preposition के position के बारे में बात करते हैं. So, a preposition usually precedes its objects. कि एक preposition usually अपने object से पहले place किया जाता है. जैसे कि Riya came from Bangalore. The school will reopen in September. Correct? Now, when relative pronoun is used, the preposition follows its objects. कि जब relative pronoun use किया जाता है तो जो preposition है वो follow करता है अपने objects को. Right? This is the game that you were searching for. This is the bus that you were waiting for. When interrogative pronoun is used, the preposition follows its objects. जब interrogative pronoun use किया जाता है तो preposition object को follow करता है. जैसे कि What are you looking at? Where are you pointing at. When an emphasis on the object is desired, the preposition follows its object. Right? कि जब एक emphasis ऑब्जेक्ट पर डिज़ायर किया जाता है तब वो preposition अपने ऑब्जेक्ट को फॉलो करता है. राइट? जैसे कि it is a mischief he is bent upon. Right? My sister has an exam on Monday. Right? Now moving ahead. Relations expressed by prepositions. अब कुछ ऐसे रिलेशंस जो कि prepositions के थ्रू एक्सप्रेस किए जाते हैं. राइट? The following are some of the most common relations expressed by prepositions. तो यहाँ पर कुछ some common relations हैं जो कि positions के थ्रू एक्सप्रेस किए जाते हैं. जैसे कि place हम लोग एक्सप्रेस करते हैं in, on, under, over, near, beside, etc. इन सभी चीज़ों को हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें प्लेस के बारे में बात करनी होती है. एग्जाम्पल, there are no lights on this street. Right? Next is time. टाइम की अगर बात की जाए, in, on, at, etc. Right? So, they met Liam at the bookstore. Next, direction. Direction के लिए हम use करते हैं to, toward, through, etc. Right? The cricket player ran through the stadium to the other stadium. Next is instrument. It is by and with. Just like the horse stopped by the woods. Right? She opened the almirah with a key. That means यहाँ पर हमने instrument यानी कि कोई tool का use किया है. Just like this book was written by a famous author. Right? Now we have a box which says don't forget. Let's see what it is asking us. So it says we use by plus no article for communication and transportation. कि हम by के साथ कोई भी article use नहीं करते हैं communication या फिर transportation के मामले में. जैसे कि examples, by car, by train, by radio, by phone, etc. Correct? So, accompaniment. So, just with. I like skirts with top. Purpose. For. Example, the cake has to bake for 45 minutes. Measured. By या फिर of. Examples हैं, we buy refined oil by the 30 kilo container. Please buy a liter of milk from the market. Partition or possession जो कि है of. Says she was standing in front of the gate. Capacity as. Shubham worked as a teacher until a year ago. Here we have words followed by prepositions. तो कुछ ऐसे words जो कि prepositions के साथ follow किए जाते हैं. So let's see. It says certain words are always followed by particular prepositions. कुछ words ऐसे हैं जो कि हमेशा follow किए जाते हैं particular prepositions के through. Read the following sentences. जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं. So it says Agra is famous for the Taj Mahal. He is fond of fast food. I was totally ignorant of events. The plants are tolerant of frost. The area is remarkable for its scenery. Wait for us. The owner is prevented by law from making any changes. I am interested in geography. You never laugh at my jokes. She is still recovering from her operation. Right? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So, that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it. So, thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.